This is a video on a Singer Model 239 that I will be selling in March 2021. The Model 239 was manufactured in Monza, Italy somewhere between 1968 and 1972. The machine can be installed in a cabinet, and the foot controller can be installed in the cabinet so that it operates by knee control, or the controller can be put on the floor and operated by foot. I've had to replace two things on the machine, put on a new slide plate, and I had to replace a broken lamp. It's a straight stitch only machine. It's very clean, runs smoothly and quietly,